a tiny world dreams collide, where speed and thrills intertwine. We grip our remotes, ready to roll, stealing the show. We'll never be slow. Engines roar, miniature power, navigating through every hour, chasing challenges. Fearless we ride in this race, we'll never subside. Remote control racing cars, chasing dreams beneath the stars, zooming through the twists and bends. This race, it never ends, underneath the moonlit sky. Our spirits soar, we never die, with each turn a new delight. In this world we take flight, through valleys deep and mountains high. We race on, reaching for the sky. The crowd cheers, the excitement swells. At this moment all else fails.